This is our really a traditional dish, and it's made it can usually made in a festivity or in any regular days if you really wants to indulge in a potato pickle. But usually in the festivities, like we have the Sera Diwali, for that when you're inviting a guest, you can make this special dish, and everybody who tries it, they really love it. If it's for a first time, or no matter how many times you've ate it, it's always a attraction of a party. But usually in our culture and food, you use mustard oil, so that gives a taste and a flavor which is required for the pickle. The other thing which you need to temper in the oil is a fenugreek seed and a turmeric. So this is a thing which you use in oil. Once the oil is heated well, we just switch it off, and we put fenugreek seed and a turmeric, and it needs to be done once it's heated well and the gas needs to be, or the stove needs to be off, because so it doesn't burn off. This is the special ingredients which you can find in Nepal, and this is actually a hog plum powder. Like, it's a plum, a special kind of plum which you find in Nepal, in Himalayas area. What I did is I just soak it with a little bit of water and made a paste out of it. It's really sour, so it works like a lemon thing. So it depends how much I'm using this ingredient and the amount of lemon I'm going to use. Okay, so the 4 potatoes and half a cucumber, half of the English cucumber, and 1 big onion. For that, I'm gonna put maybe 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of sesame seed, and salt should be according to your taste. So for me here, it's going 1.5 teaspoons. And again, these are chili flakes, so it depends how much heat you want, so it should be based on that. So I'm just gonna maybe a 1/4 teaspoon, and this is a paprika. It's just for a color. That's a 1/2 teaspoon. It won't make it spicy, but it'll just give a good color. And this is the paste of a plum paste, which a Nepali one, which we made. So we're just gonna put all of these, which was around 2 teaspoons, I'll say. It's just soaked in a little bit of water. Everything is going in. And I know this is very difficult to find this ingredient, so if you don't have it, don't worry, just go with the lemon. We just need to pickle it, so lemon is the best way to do it. Now, after I use this, as this is sour, I need to adjust the taste, so I'm going to use maybe just a 1/2 lemon. Otherwise, I must, if I don't have this ingredient, I would have used the whole lemon. So maybe just a 1/2 lemon. And I'm going to squeeze all juice out of it. And this you can adjust according to taste, how much you want. I would say just start with the 1/2 lemon and see how much sour you want. Based on that, you can adjust it. So once this is all set, this is ready to temper. So the oil which we just heated up and put some fenugreek seed and the turmeric powder, which you use to change the color, the yellowish color, and it's going to enhance this pickle too with the mustard oil. And as I said, you can use any kind of oil, not the avocado oil, but vegetable oil or any other sort of oil. Okay, there you go. So this is ready. We just need to mix it. Potato pickle is ready to enjoy.